Welcome to The Explainer. Get ready, because we're diving into a totally new, verified era of the internet.
Let's face it, today's search engines are broken. They're basically just biased billboards, totally manipulated by SEO and ads.
So the crucial point is, how do we actually fix this wildly broken system of digital discovery?
Enter HELION. It's often called Layer 4, and it's literally a structural fix for our entire web. It completely reinvents discovery. How? By rooting results in verified reality and identity rather than paid algorithms.
Let's move to how this builds out. This setup gives us 4 massive benefits, starting with bot-free results.
A unique filter called UIID makes sure you're getting insights from actual verified people, not just AI bot farms.
Which is absolutely crucial when you're looking up super sensitive stuff, like medical advice or financial news.
It also introduces sovereign domains. You own this digital address forever, and there are literally 0 price hikes.
Third up, privacy-first discovery. Local AI gives you relevant results without secretly building psychological profiles for creepy advertisers.
Moving on to the 4th benefit, HELION tackles one of the internet's absolute worst scams, zero phishing.
Because literally everything is verified through that UID protocol, fake copycat sites simply cannot exist anymore. It's a real game changer. The risk of landing on a malicious site is wiped out at the network level.
It's honestly fascinating seeing how this massive structural shift actually aims to restore trust across the entire internet.
So, HELION acts like a true oracle, finally giving you complete control over your sovereign digital life.
So, looking back at your current search engine right now, are you ready to actually search reality?